Hello everyone, welcome back to Code ABAP. Today I'm talking about types of programs in SAP ABAP. The beginner ABAPers think that reports is the only program in SAP, but behind that the programs are categorized into various categories. To know these programs, let's dive into the video and let's decode that programs. See you in the video. Before we start types of program, let's understand what is the program in SAP. SAP ABAP is not just unlike other programming languages. It is a runtime law. It is runtime objects, a runtime repository, and it is a part of much larger architecture. And it performs a program in SAP can use various of the things like show screens, fetch data, trigger function modules, perform different calculations. And inside ABAP Dictionary programs are categorized are based on what they do and how they can. The first one is executable program. Executable program is a program what the other ABAPers think. These are the programs you can run with F8. Means they have different event blocks like start of selection, end of selection. These are front-facing programs that one user interact with. Let's imagine if ABAP is a restaurant, then executable program is a dishes which the customer order directly, means visible and served directly. The second one is module pool programming. Module pool is a backbone of SAP GUI, means whenever you click on button in SAP, a pop-up appears. When you click on that pop-up, you enter the data. Behind that, a module pool programming is running. These programs use logic of flows, screens, etc. as well. Let's take example. If executable program are the dishes, then module pool is a kitchen of that program. Let's take example. If ABAP is a movie, if ABAP is a movie, then function module is a backstage crew, means essential but not seen directly. So the most important and the third one is class pool program. These are programs that are based on ABAP OOPS concepts. These includes global classes, methods, attributes, and none other events as well. Whenever you use modern ABAP or other frameworks like OData, the class pool program is most heavily used here. Interface pool program contains interfaces, basically contract that classes must follow. The most important program is include program. It is a standalone program, means you cannot execute it or run that program directly. Means they exist only to be included in other program. SAP use includes to divide large code bases into small code units, logical units. The fifth one is subroutine pool program. As you know, this is the older style of storing the code in the fifth one is subroutine pool program. This is the older style of storing reusable form subroutines. Before function module exists, SAP uses these subroutine pools to store that forms. They still exist, but in the modern ABAP, it prefers function modules and exist as well, methods as well. Sixth and the last one, transformation program. These programs handle data transformation from XML, JSON as well. These are heavily used in web services, etc. Not widely used for beginners, but is used by it is most powerful. Let's summarize these programs once again in short. Executable program, run directly. Module pool program, selection based applications. Function module, houses reusable function modules. Class pool, object-oriented programming. Interface pool, contract for classes. Include program, code fragments. Subroutines, old reusable subroutines. XML or transformation program, XML or JSON handling. These entire program combine an architecture of program dictionary in ABAP. If you enjoyed this video and want more deep explanation of this and want deep, simple and fun explanation like this, join our SAP community ABAPers. We are building India's strongest SAP learning community. Zero confusion, maximum growth and clear concepts.